Yesterday was super exciting. We had our big debut of our first two global electric vehicles.
It was our US debut, and we celebrated it with two amazing electric SUVs.
We have the VF e35 here in red and the VF e36 in silver. Each one has its own personality. The VF e35 is a little bit softer, rounder, but with some sharp accents. And the VF e36 is a lot more square-shouldered, a bit more masculine, feels more like a full-size SUV that maybe Americans are used to.
Unveiling two great cars personally is a pleasure, but I know how many people work really hard on that, making sure the cars are here, are in great shape, look great.
We had a huge crowd here. It was so nice to be back at an auto show and have some really hot cars to show.
We all together as a team did an outstanding job. We have the $200 million investment in Los Angeles in the headquarters. And also we confirmed yesterday that we will build a US factory in the second half of 2024. So what an amazing day. So we put a lot of things together in this, I would say, really historic day, a real milestone for us, big day for us, and big thank you to all of you.